Fluffy, soft, and perfectly sweet, this vegan Easter bread is the spring bake you need. Start by mixing your water, plant milk, oil, yeast, sugar, and orange zest. Give it a good stir, then let it sit for about 5 minutes to activate. In a separate bowl, measure out your flour and cinnamon. Pour in the yeast mixture and mix everything together. Knead the dough for about 6 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover and let it rise until double in size. Once risen, divide it into 12 equal balls. We'll be making 2 loaves using 6 ropes each. Take 1 ball at a time, flatten it, then roll it into a rope about 13 to 15 inches long. Repeat until you have 6 ropes. Lay the ropes out, pinch them together at the top and get ready to braid. Right strand to the center. Second from the left to the far right. The far left to the center, and the second from the right goes to the far left. You can repeat this pattern until you've reached the end of your lobe. Tuck in the ends and let it sit aside while you do the second loaf. Both loaves can rest for about 40 minutes while your oven preheats to 350 degrees. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Once it's out of the oven, brush with a light jam glaze for that beautiful shine. Let it cool slightly and enjoy.